Have you ever wondered what it's like to tour the iconic Sydney Opera House? Nestled on Bennelong Point, this architectural masterpiece is a symbol of 20th century architecture, recognized and admired worldwide. Its unique structure, reminiscent of billowing sails or peeling orange segments, is an extraordinary sight to behold. The Sydney Opera House holds a special place in Australian culture, regularly playing host to world-class performances and events. Its grandeur goes beyond its exterior. The Opera House's interiors are equally awe-inspiring, housing multiple performance venues, each with its own charm. This iconic landmark is the brainchild of Danish architect Jørn Utzon, who won an international competition for its design. The Opera House took over 14 years to complete, a testament to its intricate design and the vision behind it. Its history is as intriguing as its design, filled with architectural challenges, political drama, and artistic triumphs. Now imagine stepping into this architectural marvel and embarking on a journey through its fascinating history and stunning interiors. As you walk through the doors of this marvel, you are greeted by a breathtaking view of its grand interiors. Welcome to the heart of the Sydney Opera House, where the magic happens. The first stop on our grand tour is the magnificent concert hall, home to the world's largest mechanical tracker-action pipe organ. This grand instrument boasts an astounding 10,500 pipes. Imagine the powerful symphonies and harmonies that reverberate within these walls. Next, we find ourselves in the Joan Sutherland Theatre, named in honor of Australia's own world-renowned soprano. With a capacity of over 1,500 seats, this is the second largest venue in the Opera House. Here, the world's most talented opera, ballet and dance performers grace the stage, captivating audiences with their mesmerizing performances. As we roam through the labyrinthine corridors, we stumble upon the Utzon Room. Named after the Opera House's visionary architect Jørn Utzon, this intimate space hosts a variety of exhibitions, talks, and small-scale performances. But the grandeur doesn't stop here. Throughout the year, the Opera House becomes a hub for a myriad of events and festivals, each bringing a unique flavor to this iconic venue. From the annual Vivid Sydney Light Festival, where the sails of the Opera House are transformed into a canvas for stunning light projections, to the Sydney International Music Festival showcasing global talents, there's always something extraordinary happening. Imagine being part of an audience, basking in the spell-binding performances, the gripping narratives, the powerful music. Whether you're a lover of ballet, opera, symphony, or contemporary music, there's a performance waiting to transport you to another world. And let's not forget the numerous exhibitions that provide a deep dive into the rich history and architectural genius of the Opera House. These offer a rare glimpse into the making of this marvel, and the countless stories it holds within its sails. After exploring the wonders inside, it's time to step outside and soak in the stunning harborside views. Stepping out of the Opera House, you are surrounded by a plethora of attractions. To your east, you'll find the tranquil Royal Botanic Garden, a green oasis that offers a serene escape from the urban hustle. Heading north, the iconic Sydney Harbour Bridge looms large, a marvel of modern engineering that's just as impressive up close. For the adventurous, you can even climb to the top for a breathtaking panoramic view of the city. Just a stone's throw away lies the Rocks District, a historic area that combines old-world charm with a vibrant food and art scene. Here you can indulge in mouth-watering cuisine at waterfront restaurants or soak up local history at the numerous museums and galleries that dot the area. From leisurely strolls through lush gardens to adrenaline-pumping bridge climbs, from culinary delights to cultural immersion, the area surrounding the Opera House offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to every interest and taste. From its awe-inspiring architecture to the vibrant cultural scene surrounding it, the Sydney Opera House is a must-visit destination. It's more than just a marvel of modern design, it's a symbol of human ingenuity and a testament to the power of creativity. The Grand Tour takes you on a journey through its intricate halls, revealing the secrets of this architectural masterpiece and its fascinating history. Beyond the Opera House, a world of attractions awaits. Explore the bustling Circular Quay, immerse yourself in the lush Royal Botanic Garden, or take a stroll along the historic Rocks District. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or simply a lover of beautiful places, there's something for everyone. This isn't just a tour, it's an experience. It's a chance to witness the beauty, the grandeur, and the vibrancy that makes Sydney Opera House a world-renowned icon. So why wait? Embark on an unforgettable journey to the Sydney Opera House and its surrounding attractions. Experience the magic and wonder of this iconic landmark for yourself.